Hello there, this is David from the World Language Lab. I'm here to show you how to add input systems onto your Apple device. For those who aren't familiar, an input system is used to write in another language. For instance, Chinese learners require pinyin input so that they're able to properly type out each character. But it is not limited to languages such as this. You may very well find it tedious when trying to insert accented letters and whatnot, whether it's in French, Spanish, or German. Fortunately, most languages have their own digital keyboards. It'll save you lots of time and trouble. And here's how. First, go to the Apple menu in the upper left-hand corner. Click on System Preferences. From here, you'll want to click on the keyboard icon, then go to Input Sources. This is where you will find the default US keyboard, but notice in the lower left-hand corner of the window, there is a plus sign. Click on this, and you'll see a sizable list of languages to choose from. When selecting your language, make sure that you choose the system that best matches your preference. Some languages have multiple ways of input, whether through a standard alphabet to even handwriting in some cases. For all intents and purposes, however, you're better off sticking with the normal QWERTY or QWERTZ keyboard for most languages. Once you've selected the input system of your choice, you'll likely notice an American flag next to the Wi-Fi icon in your upper toolbar. This is showing that you currently have the US English keyboard active. In order to switch to the keyboard you need, simply click on the flag. This will bring in a drop-down menu where you can choose your available input systems or access the keyboard preferences menu. It's a good idea to pay close attention to which keyboard you are typing with at all times, so be sure to regularly switch between the inputs as needed. And that's everything you need to know. Should you require any further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us over at Engelmann D161.